addition and subtraction, which of course addition means plus or add, subtraction means take away, and it's called inverse operations. So what it's showing you is that the opposite of addition is subtraction, which makes sense because if you have a pile of things and you add more to it, you make it bigger. And the opposite of that would be taking away from the pile and making it smaller. So let's just say you had 5 minus 2, okay, like that. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So that is a subtraction equation or takeaway. Now, what inverse operations means is that if you were to flip this on its head, turn it upside down, you'd have the 3 on top, and then the 2, and then the 5, and you'd put a plus sign there, and that is a true equation. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So that is called inverse operation. The subtraction is opposite from the addition. So you just flip it on its head. Let's do another one. Let's do 4 minus 1 equals, what's 4 minus 1? 3, very good, 3. And if we turn it on its head, we can write 3, see, flip it upside down, 3, 1, 4, and we put a plus sign. So 4 minus 1 equals 3, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now, the reason this might come in handy is some of you guys have sheets that you have to figure out a number that's missing. So say you have this problem right here, but you didn't have the 5, okay? Let's just say you didn't have that 5. So it would look like a blank, so you have to fill in the square, minus 2 equals 3. Well, how are you going to know what minus 2 equals 3? So you do the trick of putting on its head. So you put the 3 up at the top, and you make it be plus, so you switch it from minus to plus, then you put the 2, and when you add 3 plus 2 together, 3 plus 2, you see that it equals 5. So if 3 plus 2 equals 5, then it has to be a 5 here. 5 minus 2 equals 3. See here, there's a 5 and a 5, a 4 and a 4, a 5 and a 5. Should we do another one just for the fun of it? Let's do a bigger number. Let's do 9 minus 6. Oops. I just kind of told you the answer to that one. So let's do it opposite then. Say you had to figure out what this was. So you have 9 minus 6 equals 3. And if you flip it on its head, it's going to be 3 plus 6 equals 9. Let's try something minus 4 equals 4. So let's flip it on its head, change the sign. What does 4 plus 4 equal? That's a double, so a lot of you guys will know that right off the bat. You are correct, it's 8. So if you put 4, 4, 8, then it would have to be the 8 up here, see? So now we know 8 minus 4 equals 4. We'll do one more. I'm going to do something minus 2 equals 7. Something minus 2 equals 7. So let's flip it on its head, put the 7 here, turn the minus sign into a plus sign, put the 2 here. What is 7 plus 2? 7, 8, 9. It's a 9, which means the 9 will go here. There you have it. So that is kind of a tricky thing, but I think for some of you that understood that, it's going to help you figure out some of those problems when you have a blank square, especially at the top of a subtraction problem. It can be kind of tricky. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Happy Friday, and I hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye.